Find the derivative of y is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square with respect to x. Okay. Given given y is equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. 1 minus x square. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇక్కడ 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square అనేది cos 2 theta ఫార్ములా 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta ఫార్ములా. ఓకేనా? సో the position of 1 x square. So therefore x is equal to tan theta. Put x is equal to tan theta. So therefore theta is equal to ఎంత అవుతుంది? tan inverse x అవుతుంది. Theta is equal to tan inverse x అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా? సో therefore y is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus tan theta tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Y is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta cos 2 theta. Y is equal to cos inverse of cos 2 theta. So therefore 2 theta. So y is equal to 2 into theta is equal to tan inverse x. Differentiate with respect to x. Y differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx, which is equal to 2 into tan inverse x ki 1 by 1 plus x square. So the answer is 2 by 1 plus x square dy by dx.